replacing the camshaft solenoid actuator solenoid. There's the piece on a Cadillac ATS 2-liter turbo engine. Went bad after about 54,000 miles. In Michigan, it's about 5 degrees outside. Take the piece off there, little screw that goes in there. Take off the oil cap thing, bobber. I'm by no means a mechanic. Take off the cap thing for it. And there it is. It's the exhaust, so it's the driver's side. Got to undo that piece. Undo that, pull it out. Battery's unplugged because it's electrical. So I'm going to take that piece off, and here we go. Okay, got it out. So it looks like a little bit of oil dripped out of it, of course. There's what it goes into. So now I'm going to reattach the new one, one-handed. Click, got it on. And now I'm just going to oil this part and pop it back in. Alright, got it all oiled, nice and greasy. Popping it back in. Use it's 10 millimeter. Alright, all back in, all nice and neat. Just put the cover back on, we should be golden.